Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we edit guys contact number in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to edit your phone contact number, and guys I want to edit guys my contact number. So guys, now let's see how can I edit my contact number, and guys, how can you edit guys. You can see first of all guys, we will on get this phone setting, and guys on guys your phone contact list. Which number guys you want to edit guys, we will select. I want to edit guys my contact number, so I will take guys my contact number. And friends, you can see this icon last one guys, info means this about this history guys. And friends, you can see this contact number guys, favorite option, edit, share and more option guys, you can check from here. So friends, you can see edit option guys, we will tap here. So friends, you want to edit guys this number guys, you want to add something in this number, and guys you want to edit guys this name, so guys you can edit. So I will take into my name. Friends, and friends, you can see this save. So sorry friends, I will take into my contact and save. So friends, you can see that this contact number will edit, and friends, you can see I have get this my new contact number, my contact. Friends, you can check here. So like that guys, we can edit guys contact number in our Samsung phone device. So bye guys.